Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. Today we're going to be wood burning a Native American man. There's a lot of feathers on this guy, so hardly any hair, but we got a little face and feathers galore and a little bit of hair. So I'm going to start out by doing the hair. I'm going to burn it nice and dark. Then we're going to do the face and neck, and then we'll finish out with the feathers. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, now I'm going to outline the face and the neck and shade it in a light brown. Okay, now I'm going to outline a couple feathers at a time. Then I'm going to cut in the quills. And that's what's happening in this next time lapse. Alright, so I'm going to do these feathers up on top here, like turkey feathers. Alright, I'm going to do the bottoms dark, like this, then the middle ones medium dark, and then the top ones light. I'm going to outline them all at the same time, but as far as the quills go, the bottom ones, I'm currently burning at 638 degrees Celsius. That's the temp for all these bottom ones. Alright, and we're going to see how he turns out. So I'm going to outline all the bottom ones and we're going to do all those next. Then we're going to do the middle ones. And then we're going to do the top ones so I don't have to keep changing the temp. Alright, work smarter, not harder, right? Alright guys, I got all the quills in where I'm going to put quills. Up here, I'm just going to shade. It is going to be lighter than down here. Down here I'm just going to shade it. I'm going to burn away the ink outlining, and then I'm going to shade in the rest of the feathers. So that's what's happening. Alright guys, well, that's this guy done. I already got him signed and dated September 3rd, 2024. So, if you made it this far in the video, thank you. If you liked what you saw, hit that thumbs up button. It'll turn blue, and that'll really help me out. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. That really helped me out too. So if you want to see more of these, let's see how many likes we can get on this video. If I can get up to 20 likes, I'll keep doing wood burning. Okay? So, thanks for watching. I love y'all. Y'all are awesome. And until next time, as always, keep on carving and burning.